Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in today's video, I will share the strange things started happening with me after meeting Twin Flame in 3D. So first thing was, like, whenever I used to step outside my house, so whether it was a person, on bike, on motorbike, or on the car, or on a other vehicle, I always used to see his face in everybody's face. Now this was happening frequently, and I thought, why is this happening? Am I thinking too much about this person? That's why I'm seeing him everywhere. So his face is visible to me everywhere. And then I said, no, it cannot be him in every person. So this was something different started happening immediately once I met him. And the day we got to know name of each other, since that day I started thinking all the time about him. Though I wanted to stay away, but then I could not stop this. So all the time, even though when I'm doing something busy in some other work, back of the mind, his thoughts are always there. And this was little weird, that how is this even possible, thinking all the time about a person. Another thing started happening, that whenever I was alone sitting with myself, I was talking to a person, I was also getting a reply. So for me, I was talking to him and I was getting a reply. So what was happening, that I am alone, but then I'm talking, I'm getting a reply. So what was this was actually his higher self, which used to reply me back to back. So, and whenever I used to have this conversation for hours and hours, and then I used to feel so relaxed, oh, somebody was listening to me, also replying me. So I used to feel happy. But then as it was happening on a frequent basis, I started making notes of it. It's happening something different with me. So as I knew that I do get replies, from divine, from spirit guides, and from ancestors, and also from other spirits. But now this was different. And I would say this was the voice of this person, I used to hear. So I knew that this is, this person. So I did not give a lot of importance to this, but I knew this is happening. So this was another thing which I had to note. Another weird thing started happening. Whenever I used to call anyone, I used to dial his number. Whenever I used to text someone, I was texting him unintentionally, and this was happening frequently. And every time I was apologizing him, I was saying, sorry, no, I did not do it intentionally, this happened unintentionally, by mistake. So as it was happening frequently, I realized this person will think about me that I'm doing it intentionally. Yeah, he realized that I was interested in him, in talking to him. And so maybe I'm trying to talk to him, but no, that wasn't the case. It was happening and it was out of my control. So I had to be so careful while texting anyone or while calling anyone, even though no matter how much I was trying, it was always happening. And what happened, the day we both started talking to each other, or maybe the day we interacted for the first time, our inner child got super active same day. And because of that, we used to have, a lot of, fun chit chats with each other, make fun of each other in a respected way. It was not something in disrespectful, but this was happening. Like, we both were behaving like, a little child with each other. So before meeting him, I knew that I am a person who stays happy from inside, but I am somebody who likes to stay silent. I do not like to talk much. And I never, created jokes with anyone, or even, participated in such things. But now this was first time happening. I was the one, who was doing all these things. And at the parallelly, he was also, behaving in the same manner. So we talk about his personality and his age. He was 2 years elder than me. So I was 20 that time when I met him in 2011, and he was 22 years of age. He is tall and bodybuilder personality. When it comes about physical beauty, we were on both, same level. So yeah, he's a handsome guy, but then we were on same level. But then there was a bit of difference, which I'll share in another video. So most of the time, as our inner child got super active, we both were so childish with each other, and we create, small childish things with each other. So what happened, that we both were in night shift. And so what he did, the department he was working, there was a rule that if it is a night shift, there will be only one employee during night shift. So he was alone in that department, and I was in reservation. So there were employees, and he was the only one, as we both were coming in same cab. So he kept, long beard, and it was like he did it intentionally. So what I did, one day, it was a night shift again. He was sleeping in his department. So it was allowed, if you do not have work, you can sleep. So he probably he arranged 4 to 5 chairs, and then he was lying on those chairs, making it a bed. And as he was so tall, so what I did, I took a blank paper, I wrote 420 on that and something else. So I pasted behind his head, and I started clicking pictures, and there was another friend of mine who was clicking his picture. So this was fun activity for me. I don't know why I did that, but I did it. And all of a sudden, when he woke up and he started smiling, so giving poses, and we both were clicking his pictures. Now this was another thing that again, night shift, he was sleeping, so I was having small butterfly clips, 7 to 8 clips on my hair. So he was again sleeping. I removed those hairs and put it on his hairs. So I thought maybe I'll go ahead and click his pictures. So then after a few minutes, I realized that he woke up and went to the washroom and removed those clips. Now another thing, what happened, that it was again night shift, so I had another mobile number which was of my cousin brother. And so I texted him that hi sir, I heard that there is some sort of ghost inside this particular department. So have you seen that? Did you see anything? The moment I sent this text, he immediately came on my floor. So I didn't realize it for the first time, but then he went back after 10 to 15 minutes. Then I immediately texted him again, sir, you did not reply me. Did you see something, like ghost or some, entity? So he again came back, and this I repeated third time. So I had this idea that, this person is scared of, entities or the ghost. And I started smiling, probably laughing, that he's such a bodybuilder type personality. How could he be scared of, entities or ghost? Wherein if I talk about myself, this has always been fun for me since my childhood. I have been in communication, but then I did not think, what is the relation between a physical body and an entity? How would it is related to each other? So I remained quiet, and I did not tell him that it was me who was texting him about that ghost. Otherwise he'll slap me. Now these childish behaviors were getting increased again and again, day by day. So one day we were in morning shift, and we both were sitting in cab. So what he did, we both were silent. And all of a sudden he looked at my shoes and said, it's so clean, let me make it dirty. And then he started making it dirty through his own shoes. And I said, what are you doing? And then now I also started doing the same thing. Another thing, he used to write something on through sketch pen or sometimes on my clothes, just to get some sort of reaction, or wanted to talk to me, as he was also behaving like a baby. So these were things he kept on doing. And yeah, I was also noticing, but I could not hold on to all these habits, as my this inner child got super active. And I have never been such happy at any point of my life, because yeah, even though during my childhood, I have never seen such great happiness within me, just because of a presence of a person. So many times, as these people were having discussions about Bollywood, Hollywood, and then also about actor and actresses, wherein I used to ask, what is this? As I did not know the names of, actor or actresses, and also did not know what was happening in the country, outside the country, because I do not watch TV, I do not read newspapers, so I had no idea. And then that was the reason I did not know, the name of these actor or actresses, or even the new upcoming movie, or the current one. So he started questioning, and said you are not from this world, and you have no idea, and how does this happen? So you were you were like an alien. There'll be a movie to be made on you, and there'll be tickets. So these things, he started saying, but yeah, he was also trying to study me at the same time. Several other childish behavior he started, showing to me, and that was, again, I was okay. It was just childish, nothing was hurting. And what has, started happening the day I met him, I noticed that I have feelings for this person. Another thing I started happening, that I've been feeling sexual energy, which I knew that I have feelings for anyone, nor I feel all these energies. But now this was on that extent wherein I was having problem. That so I realized, whenever this person is in front of me, I start feeling these energies, but he was feeling even more than me. So we both had a problem with this, and we used to run away from each other. No, we cannot face each other. So whenever I used to feel this energy because of him, I used to run away so that it will be calmed down. And So wherein I knew that since my childhood I have been a shy person. I do not like to participate or talk about these sexual energy. So during my training time in this airline, these entire team except me and there was another guy, they always used to talk or gossip about sexual energy only. So I used to tell them, like, I'm leaving the room. Once you are done with this topic, you can call me. And this was another guy who also used to leave along with me. No, I do not want to be participate in this. So I knew I am not at all interested in all these things. But then now this sexual energy which I was feeling, it was literally unwanted and it was hard to control. But then still, when I used to remove myself from that place, and I was able, I was okay with that. Another thing I started noticing, there was another a senior female staff who was a sort of team leader or manager. So somehow one day I was talking to another friend of mine about him, this twin flame, that I have feelings for this person. So this evil lady heard that, and since that day what she used to do, whenever she used to see me or him coming together, she used to go ahead and hug him from front, and I used to get angry and upset without any reason. And I used to feel as if this evil lady has touched my own body, wherein this was a culture of hugging each other through side hug or the front hug. It was a culture. But then I had no problem when other females were hugging him, but this was just one particular girl. Whenever she used to touch him, I was getting angry and upset as if she has touched my own body. And as I knew, whenever I had anger issues since my childhood, and whenever I used to get angry or upset, it was taking me at least a week time to calm down myself. And I knew it was so hard for me. Most of the times I used to listen music, that too very loud music, and then also used to dance to calm myself, to calm down this anger. But then it was taking at least a week time to 15 days. But when I met this person, I realized whenever I was angry, whether from a home or because of some office issue, the moment he was coming in front of me, it was going away. And I said, like, this is such a miracle. Like, either am I really thinking or overthinking about this, or is this really happening? So as in this office again, there were several challenges since day one, I would say. And but so it was again a back to back thing that I was getting angry and upset. But then the moment he used to come in front of me, it was going away. So I realized this is something happening different, which I have never experienced, wherein I had to put a lot of efforts to calm down myself whenever I'm angry. So before meeting twin flame, I always used to be arrogant with boys, because I always saw that these boys are all about marriage, love, relationship. They don't have anything else to think about. So, and they just want to propose immediately. So I was always irritated from boys, and since that day I was rude and upset with boys intentionally. But then after meeting this guy, I also saw some different thing in this company, that there was another guy who had his girlfriend in the same department. He took a stand in a way for his girlfriend, that if it was somebody else, could have run away from that particular situation. So I realized, no, the boys are also good. I can talk to them. Not all boys are about love, relationship, or focused on this. So, and also in this particular company, I did not see a single guy who was having bad intentions towards physical body of a female. I found that almost every guy was respecting females. So there I changed my behavior towards masculines. No, boys are also good. And all of a sudden, like I started having some sort of respect for this twin flame. I don't know why, but then it was coming automatically. So I realized this is again something happening different. I worked in this company for 2.5 years, 2.5 years, and I had no health issue. It was all gone without any efforts. And wherein I knew that before meeting him, I always had health issues, always used to fall sick, and probably always on new moon and full moon I used to have cold and fever, wherein I could not even sit and walk on properly because of cold and fever. And now I those issues were completely gone after meeting him. So I noticed this change after a long time. I'll let you know what was that particular situation when I noticed all these things. Apart from this, just wanted to see him all the time. I wanted him to be around me. And so what I used to do, I used to avoid taking leaves, even my week off. So my manager used to forcefully give me week offs. Why don't you take leaves? So I did not want to tell anyone the reason that I wanted to see him. and we were not getting leaves on the same day. So I realized this is not possible to take the leave on the same day. So I was avoiding it. So forcefully I was given leaves. No, you should at least, take rest. So this airline environment was like a college one, like, wherein we were allowed to do our studies or to read, books. So what I used to do in my spare time, whenever, I was free from my work, I used to do or complete my, college work, assignments and projects. So I was happy from this environment, and always there were, a lot of celebrations, which kind of celebrations happens in college, as there were a lot of, couples, and then fancy dress competition, music, dance, others, several good things were happening in the company. So I had this acceptance that yeah, I am super happy this time, and this was happening first time, wherein I already worked for 2.5 years before meeting him. So I was so happy because of him also, but it was environment was also another reason. So I was in this acceptance that this environment is also playing a big role, maybe probably into my health or into my happiness. And apart from these celebrations inside the office, like as being an airline employee, I used to have a lot of free tickets, almost free tickets. So I used to travel a lot, so I used to have those privileges from the airline, several other privileges from being an because of being an employee of the airline. So there I picked up on people and allowed them to be part of my life as friends, and I picked up all the people as per my game itself. The game I have discussed in my previous videos, the conversation with Divine. So yeah, people thought that I have considered them as friend. I was also having a good time with these people, that chit chatting and then playing like kids. So these people were also like questioning that, because I picked up on several particular people, not any random person. So as in this airline, I was working in night shift that time, and there I became a best friend with a masculine, wherein he was a good guy again, but again part of the game. So we used to have, these boys used to play badminton, football on the floor itself during night shift. So this was another level of fun I was experiencing, that is this an office, is this really a college or a park? So best thing I experienced in this airline, because as all masculines were really good, except this general manager, who was shittiest person, who was a characterless person, but then rest of the boys were really amazing. So as the environment was really good, and these company managers and other senior designation people used to maintain such environment, and they used to claim that no other company will give you such environment in your life if you continue working with us or in any other company. This is something we guarantee. So in that company I started living my childhood, and also maybe the way people spend their time in colleges. So this was such an amazing time for me. Another thing, like the moment I joined this airline, I also got stability into my career, and because of having stability into my career, there were also stability into my finances. So apart from managing my house rent, other expenses and college fee, I was I started spending my time into my creativity. Like initially I started I joined professional dance classes, and then swimming. Then also I did a few projects of the modeling, and then I realized modeling was not my type. Why? Because there's a lot of shit happens in modeling industry. So I realized it is not for me. But then just as for for a time pass or for a fun activity, I used to spend my time there itself. So after spending few months in this airline, as it was a brand name in India, and I started getting a lot of offers from bigger MNCs and bigger companies with good salary package, wherein I started rejecting all of them because of only one reason. I wanted to stay nearby this person. I wanted to see him all the time, and I realized now I will not be able to stay away from him. Though I understand neither he is in relationship with me, nor I am in relationship with him, but then I want to see him all the time. I cannot stay away from him. It is something sort of out of my control now, and that was the reason. So if I leave this company, I will not be able to see him, though he lives in my area itself, but then I have never met him in my area. So I started rejecting so many good offers, and I kept on rejecting for several years. So as you know, before starting on this game, I decided to hide my own personality, the real personality, and I did a lot of changes into my physical body. I used to live like a tomboy. I also made changes in my walk. I did not want anyone to see me like a female. So this masculine friend who was a best friend kind of thing in that airline itself. So during night shift, he used to teach me how to do a catwalk. He used to show me that catwalk. So I said, yeah, I can't tell you why am I, walking like this. This is all intentionally. But then, yeah, I said, yeah, you keep teaching me. I will learn it. So I did not tell him the reason because he was also part of my game. I picked up on each and every person in this airline as per my game itself. So one day, this masculine best friend of mine, he started telling me like that these people in entire department, they all are scared of you. The day you were having argument or fight with those four boys because of a cab driver, you were so loud that every person could hear your voice and whatsoever you were saying to those boys. Everybody heard that, and since that day whenever the new batch comes, these managers and the trainers they instruct each and every employee that you should be very careful while talking to this girl. You should be so careful while dealing with her, even though if you want to reach out to her because of professional reasons, be mindful her. She's angry bird and she doesn't spare anyone. So he was also given the same information, so he came after me, this best friend of mine. So I was surprised. I said, oh, I have no idea about it. So he said, that's the reason people like to stay away from you. They all are scared, including the seniors. And I was also scared, but you started talking to me, and I was again scared. Maybe you say something to me, so what will I do? And then the day we started talking, and since then a few of my friends are jealous, and they always question, why do you talk to me? What have you seen different in me? And all the time they're pulling my leg. So they say, like, no, we can't even reach out to her. We want to talk to her, but we can't reach out to her. So what is so different in you? Why she's talking to you? She's also chit-chatting and having fun with you like a kid. Then why it is happening? So he said, I even do not know that. So I said, don't worry about that. You are a kind person, good person. That's why I started talking to you. So just ignore these boys. So he also said, the day I started talking to you, after spending some time, I realized you are not the same person what people see you. You are completely different, like a kid, innocent person. But nobody can see this side of you except me, because we both are talking. So I understand, there must be some reasons. So I said, okay, let's ignore it. In initial days, I told this best friend of mine that I have feelings for this person, about this twin flame, and it is also not going. Now I don't know what to do, and this person is actually scared of me, so he wants to talk to me, but at the same time he's also maintaining distance from me because he's scared, as I have become famous in this company that I'm a rudest girl, angry bird. So I understand that could be the reason that he's scared of me. So telling this best friend about this twin flame was another reason that he should not feel anything about me, and so he was clear about it. And after few months only, he had a girlfriend within the same department. So I was really happy for him, and there were no changes in our friendship. It was deepening day by day. So there were a lot of people who were jealous of from our friendship, including this twin flame also. So he was so jealous that he could not see even talking to each other. So I realized this person has jealousy issue also. Probably before this I realized he has insecurities. Now I see he's a jealous person also. So as this best friend of mine never considered me like a female, we always used to chit chat and talk to each other like we both are boys. And so he had one habit, whenever we used to go on break, so I used to get late sometimes because of being stuck on call with clients. So what he used to do, he come from backside and hold my neck. So I told him, do not touch my neck because I have a problem because of an accident. So he used to always do the same mistake and apologize to me. One day I was on call, I was upset and angry because of a client, and all of a sudden he put his hand on my neck, and then I gave him a tight slap. Now I became famous inside the company for slapping a guy. So he realized, he was shocked for a few moments, and I said I did not do it intentionally. Wherein I know my hands are heavy, like a boy, whenever I slap anyone. And then he started laughing, like I cannot expect a girl giving a tight slap. So now everybody saw that I slapped him, but as we were best friends, so it was okay. And so since that day he stopped touching my neck. He realized no, he cannot do that again, otherwise he'll have another slap. And same day I told this best friend of mine, what, that till now this twin flame was running away from me because of my anger and because of my bold nature, rudeness. And now he'll also get to know that I have slapped you, as everybody has seen that. And now he'll start, further running away from me. This was not something supposed to be done. So as the friendship with this masculine best friend was getting deepened again and again, this twin flames jealousy was also surfacing on again and again. So I realized this is something which I do not like, because even though if I would be in a relationship, I would never have a jealousy from his friends. So but why is he having such jealousy, that too with a best friend, and wherein he knew that he has a girlfriend. Now it was one of the festival time wherein we were asked to come in ethnic attire. So I was wearing anarkali a suit, and had a good makeup and beautiful earrings. So yeah, I was looking beautiful, and then the entire department was focusing on me and wanted to appreciate, but they could not, as they knew I'm an angry bird, so they could not reach out to me. But yeah, they were discussing with each other, and then the people from other departments were coming and seeing me, somebody's looking different. And now this person noticed, twin flame, he had another level of jealousy. So as he could not handle his jealousy, he started taunting me, saying something selfish, mean thing. Why am I looking so beautiful? I was not supposed to look in that way. So I realized, I don't know whether he's appreciating getting upset or angry because I'm looking good, or people are giving me attention. Is it? So I did not understand these things. So yeah, I was noticing all these things which was different for me. So within 6 months, I saw that this twin flame has feelings for me. I also have feelings for him. We both are on same page when it comes about having feelings and this energy. But the thing which was different, that this person is a jealous person, and also he has a lot of insecurities. And till now I only recognize this because I also had another level of challenges on the floor because of this general manager, sometimes because of these evil female staff. So yeah, and then I was also focusing on other departments so that I could move and go away from here, and also was trying to shift in the same department where this twin flame was. So I had two major reasons that I wanted to shift. That one, wanted to stay away from those evil women's, and so that they could not interfere into my work. And again, this twin flame was also reason. So these two things which I noticed, and I'll be sharing further things which was again shocking. Day by day I was getting to know new things about this person. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.